Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to tell you how you can do a Python certification online for free. So let's get started. First you need to go to a website which is given into a description box. So once you open a website, you can see this link or the website which is called as Alison. In this you can look at diploma in Python programming. So this course is nothing but the diploma in Python programming and which is absolutely free. So you can read here, develop your programming skills by creating function, variable, logic statement with this free online course. So this course is totally free. You don't have to pay anything for that. And this is an introduction to the course. And if I go to the modules, they have a basic modules which are there in a programming. So those are like introduction to Python programming, getting started, best practices. Then we have a displaying text. In that we have a good code base, like how you can write a good code. Then the string variables, storing numbers, working with dates and times. Then we have first assessment. Then the decision making, complex decision with the code, repeating events. Then remembering lists, reading from files, introduction to functions and error handling. Then we have a second assessment and then course completion assessment. So these are the basic module which are available in the Python programming. Once you able to complete these modules and the assessment, you will get a certification. So what will be the outcome of this course? Then you will be able to define a Python programming in Visual Studio. You will discuss the importance of commenting in your code, then how we can identify the programming code mistakes, Visual Studio features, and many more. So once you complete the course, you will get a certification. You can see here all the Alison certification courses are free to enroll, study and complete. To successfully complete this diploma course and become an Alison graduate, you need to achieve 80% or higher in each course assessment. So once you complete the assessment and you get 80% marks or the higher, you will be able to pass the course. So if I go to view course modules, you will see there are total 17 modules, 68 topics, and it will require 10 to 15 hours to complete all this. So you can see these are the video modules which are available, displaying text. Though these are the core content which we have already seen, and the code is also there, and finally the module 17 is of course assessment. So once you add this course into your path, you can just go to your dashboard and you can check the course progress also. So if I check, you will see diploma in Python programming and my course is 1% completed. So you can just continue on learning and the video module will get started. So once you complete the course, all the modules, you will have assessment and then you can just complete the assessment to pass the course. So this is it guys, this is for the video. So hope you enjoyed the video. So for more Python certification, I'll be creating a videos. So you can just subscribe to my channel and keep watching. So you will get the notification. So thank you. Thanks for watching my video.